Hello guys, and welcome to Python programming tutorials by Amul's Academy. Today in this tutorial we are discussing about the anonymous function, that is the function without any name. In the previous tutorials we discussed about the functions, right? There will be a keyword called def and there will be a function name and parameter list. And here in this anonymous function we won't use any function name or we won't use any keyword called def. Here we use a keyword called lambda. Because of this function is also called as lambda functions. Okay, we'll take one example. First we need to create a variable, or we can call this as a reference. I'll give as sum equal, and I use the keyword lambda. Now I need to mention the parameters, so I'll mention variable 1 comma variable 2 colon. Now I need to mention the statements. Variable 1 plus variable 2, I want the sum of two numbers, that is variable 1 and variable 2, and I'll enter. Now I'll print this sum is comma sum of, I want the sum of 10 and 20, and enter. Now I'll save this and run this, and sum is 30. Here in this function we didn't use any function name, we use the keyword lambda and two parameters, that is variable 1 and variable 2, and we perform the addition operation. Here is a function call, that is sum of 10 and 20. Here sum is a variable or reference. This is about the anonymous function, that is function without any name. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in next class. Till then, take care.